In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export data in Airtable. We'll start with importing, then move on to exporting, so you can move your information in and out of Airtable with confidence. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where you want your data to live. On this dashboard, you should see your existing bases or an option to create a new one. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place, because anything you import will land in this workspace. Next, look for the option to import. Depending on your version of Airtable, this might appear when you create a new base, or as an import button within an existing base. Go ahead and click Import. This tells Airtable that you want to bring in data from an external source rather than starting with an empty table. After you click Import, you'll usually see a prompt or a setup screen. Here, click Continue. This step is essentially an Airtable confirming that you're ready to move on to choosing the format and source of your data. If you have multiple tabs or projects open, double check you're still on the correct base or workspace before proceeding. Now you'll see a list of options for import sources and file types. Airtable supports common formats like CSV files, Excel spreadsheets, and Google Sheets. You'll also find additional sources such as Microsoft Access, Asana, XML, Jira, Facebook, to Notion, JSON, and more. Choose the format that matches your existing data. For example, if your data lives in a spreadsheet, you might pick CSV or Excel. If it's in a project management tool, select that specific integration. Once you've selected your source, follow the on-screen prompts to upload the file or connect the external service. When the import finishes, quickly scan your table to ensure your columns and rows appear as expected. Now let's switch to exporting your data from Airtable. From your dashboard, click on the base you want to export from. This opens the base and shows you all its tables and views. Inside the base, confirm you're looking at the specific table you want to export. At the top left of the table, make sure you're in grid view. Exports are based on the current view, so whatever fields and filters you have applied in grid view will be reflected in your export. If needed, adjust your columns and filters before moving on. Finally, click on the option to download CSV. Airtable will generate a CSV file containing the records from your current grid. Save this file to your computer and you'll be able to open it in spreadsheet software. Share it with others, or use it in another